What up, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. It's a little different video today. It's not a POV drive, nothing like that. Just a little install video. I got a Mishimoto oil catch can, and I just want to make a install video about it. And while I'm learning, you guys learn also. So I'm about to unpack all this. I can't lie, everything in here is packaged up real nicely. Looks super good. This is, yeah, I'll show you it when it all comes out. It's gonna be like this. Alright, this is everything it comes with. Comes with that. This goes on your intercooler. The bracket it connects to. This goes in here. You get two hoses, two of these, get these. This is connect to this right here. But everything in this looks like pretty good quality. So let's get to the install. Well, if you're new watching, this is my 2010 Camaro. It's a little dirty, like always. It's winter, it's snowing. Carbon fiber, you see all the carbon. That's a little faded right now. Yeah, carbon. Give you a little run around. Don't look too close though. Don't look too close. Stay back a little bit. But she alright. First thing I will be doing, I'm about to put this in here. Can't really do it one hand, so let me get this in here real quick. That's already installed. They will give you this with the kit because this one will not fit back on here, so they just give you a whole different one, and to be honest, it's a lot cleaner. So the next thing I am going to do is going to take that out and then put this up here exactly like this. Alright, now that I got that on, tightened up, now it's time to take the cap off, get this opened up. This part's in tight. Okay. Okay, you see, don't mind some of the stuff you probably can't see even much, but it's a little dark, so I gotta use my camera. But down there, that little plug right there, actually I can't right there, it's this hose right here. Gotta get that out, and it goes right here all the way up, goes all the way to back there. I'm gonna get that unplugged real quick, get that disconnected, and then you'll reconnect this big hose from the back, where the back part I just showed you, where I just directed to, and then this one, the small one, will go to the front one. If you never took them off and wondering how you take it out, because I can't lie, I was just over here struggling. You pull this all the way up, and then you pull out, and then same thing when you go up here, then bam, pull it straight out. Okay, then after that, you pull it out. Put my phone down. Fully out, don't need that anymore. Well, now we run this back. how we had it. And then go through here. That's on. Alright, so like I said earlier, the big one goes to the back, to right here, to the oil catch can, and then this one goes back to this little plug down here. What's kind of annoying to get to a little bit, I'm gonna be real. It's car stuff though. Can't pull on it. Pretty sure it's good. Alright. Then now, time to install the oil catch can. All you basically have to do, it's kind of dark and I don't have no really any spot to record it. Basically all you do, take these off and then just hook it up like this. Screw it on with a, where is it at? A 2.5 millimeter. Alright, time to install the oil catch can. I hooked these two up, and you will use a 17 millimeter ratchet to tighten these up. You will need a flathead for this part. And that is the install of the Mishimoto oil catch can. She's all done. That's put up. Make sure everything's plugged in correctly, fully. It's fully installed. I don't know if anyone else's Camaro's like this, but mine's touching that bad. See, it's already like, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there it is. Look, it's already like scratching it. I don't know why it's so close. If anyone installed this, let me know. I don't think it's them, because even their video don't show that it's this close. I don't know if it's just when I got the car someone had that moved up, or I don't know, but it's rubbing. I kind of don't like that. I'm gonna be real with you, so I'm just gonna keep it on for the night. But I'm gonna see if I don't know how important these little things are, the edges, if I could just like grind it down, use for real. But I'll start the car up, see how it runs real quick, make sure everything's running good, these are good, and get back to you. Alright, I'm gonna get the first start with the filter real quick. None sounds wrong. None seems loose. I don't see no fluids or anything coming out of it. That's tight enough. Let me make sure this one's good. Yep, that one does look good. And it does look on there. Alright, y'all. Well, that is the install. Thanks for watching the video. See y'all next.
She been tryna fuck with us. She's like up on the game like a sticker. She was a Mr. Fame. We just tryna get rich. She said like, who was up? Let me kick it with you.